So this is the River of Life. May pausok, guys. Ano kaya yun? Ba't kaya may mausok? Ah, parang may ano siya. Yun na lumalabas. So, that one, yun yung, ang pangalan na to? That is the Sultan Abdul Samad Jamek Mosque. Formerly known as Masjid Jamek, this is the oldest mosque in the city, built in 1909. It is located at the confluence of the Klang and Gombak River. Ito yun. Yan. Yan, ito yan. Klang and Gombak River. Yan. Where Kuala Lumpur city begins its life. Built by English architecture Arthur Benison Hubba. Visitors are required to dress appropriately when visiting. Cloaks provided. So, kung gusto mong pumasok sa loob, may cloak naman. So, yeah. Wow, this is nice. Oy, okay, so we finally arrived. Sulit naman ba ang pagdating namin ng gabi? Uy, grabe. Grabe. Nakita nyo ba yan? Sandali. Ibang level pala to.
Hindi ma-justify ng ano.
May mist siya. And it's... Grabe. Hindi ma-justify ng camera or what. Galing, galing. Ang ganda pala niya sa gabi. So, sa sobrang lakas ng mist, you cannot see where is the Klang and the Gombak. What's that? Gombak River, yeah? So, yan. So, ngayon, ang tanong, sulit ba? Sulit. Okay. After how many times na nasa Malaysia kami, eto na. Binigyan na namin ng chance ang sarili namin makita ang Klang River and Gombak River and the River of Life. Okay, mission accomplished. Nakita na natin. Maganda nga talaga siya sa gabi. So, napaka-majestic. Hindi ma-justify. Call of prayer na sila. Okay, so I think that's it for our night vlog. Thank you for joining us tonight in our vlog. Okay, see you again soon. Okay, bukas ulit. Tatapon naman tayo.